Dermatologist Dr. Llorenia Muir-Green says since the COVID-19 pandemic, she has seen a number of skin conditions due to the wearing of facial masks. Dr. Muir-Green says each week she sees at least 5 cases in her private practice, but in the public setting, 10. One of the most common conditions seen is mask acne.
The whole humidity of that is created by the mask on the face causes the mask. That is what triggers it the most, the actual humidity. And then there's some fibers that are worse than others. So remember now, the mask has to have several layers to be protective, especially if it's a cloth mask, right? And so you have the several layers and the quite tight knit. So the tighter the knit of the fibers of the material, the worse the acne gets.
But acne is not the only skin condition reported by mask wearers. Dr. Muir-Green says other common skin problems caused by masks include rosacea, allergic eczema, and allergic contact dermatitis.
Some persons are more sensitive to certain materials, and as you know, the ones that are made for surgical masks and other medical masks are made out of certain materials like polypropylene and others, and these can sometimes release formaldehyde, which is a type of preservative, which is naturally occurring because formaldehyde is in a lot of items that we eat, etc. But because we're having prolonged exposure to this formaldehyde on the face, persons are coming in with allergic dermatitis.
Dr. Muir-Green says these conditions can be treated using over-the-counter products. However, if they don't work, people are advised to speak to their medical doctor. Meanwhile, the dermatologist says people should try and avoid wearing certain cloth masks. She says a cotton mask is more ideal. And since women are the ones mainly affected, Dr. Muir-Green recommends that they wear makeup that is mineral-based to lessen aggravation.
They also recommend that you put on a moisturizer on the face. They also recommend that you take off the mask at various periods during the day, which most people do, like especially when they're on their own. A lot of people, you see them in the cars, or if they're in their room by themselves at work, they take off the mask. So you actually have some little breaks. They actually say that you need to wash your mask, especially the cloth mask, that is, on a daily basis.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.